myself Hitesh Sachdeva from the Citizen School Model Town. I attended this financial education training program at GT Goenka Model Town on 24th of August and 25th of August. This program was actually an eye-opener for most of us because various aspects of the financial literacy were actually covered. Now, financial literacy, I think, is that area which is the most neglected area in our real life. Most of us are actually literate, but as far as financial literacy is concerned, I see that most of us are not financially literate. So financial illiteracy is there, which should not be there. But now this is the first step. This is a very good step which has been taken by NCFE in actually to fight with this financial illiteracy. And in this particular program, we came to know about how to manage our risks and returns. Now, every individual actually came across various risks, like risk of life, risk of medical bills, risk of burglary, risk of fire, risk of cash, and risk of various things, and how to manage our returns also. Now, returns are basically, I can get return by investing my money into the FDs, into mutual funds, into shares, into various other investing options. All these options were discussed in great detail. So I'm thankful for that. Apart from this, the importance of will, the importance of various other financial instruments were discussed in great detail in these 2 days, and we are really looking forward to many more workshops from NCFE for this. And it was really a great helpful for us, and we are going to channelize and pass on this knowledge to our students, and it will be done firstly after going back to my school, because I have already discussed this thing with my principal, and he has allowed me to conduct a sort of workshop for my teachers. Firstly, I will pass on this information to 8, 9, 10 teachers, and our school will be registering with NFLAT, and we shall be participating in the current NFLAT also, and we shall try to conduct an assembly on this. So these things we shall be putting up, and we shall try to disseminate the knowledge which we have gathered in these 2 days to our students as well as the faculty, and we shall be looking forward to the many more workshops in the future also. And we thanks once again to NCFE and GT Goenka for conducting these particular workshop, and we are thankful to CBSE also. Thank you very much.